My name is Kyra and this is Kyra's Bake Shop, my gluten-free bakery, and I am a modern pioneer because everything I do is gluten-free, and I developed this bakery and concept and all of the recipes at a time when gluten-free wasn't really part of the larger conversation. When I built this brick and mortar, and this is our second brick and mortar, I really wanted this to be a community meeting place. I wanted it to be a place where people could come and have coffee and a pastry or a sandwich and meet their fellow neighbors and just relax and have fun.
Congratulations, Kyra. You're the winner of Cupcake Wars!
When I first applied for Cupcake Wars, it was mostly because I was frustrated with the competitors that I was watching during season 1. I think it was the second episode, and I was literally yelling at the TV saying, "What are you doing trying to hide those ingredients instead of highlight them and make them prominent?" And said, I want to be on Cupcake Wars because you've never had somebody gluten-free on the show, and I want to show that gluten-free cupcakes can kick butt.